Hi guys, I am Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys all the presents that I got on my birthday. So recently on 6th of October, I turned 26 and yeah, I also shared a post on Instagram where I shared how I feel about turning 26. So if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, you can follow me there and read the post. I really hope that you will like it and find something relatable there. Now a big disclaimer, the intention of this video is not to show off or come across as showy. The reason why I'm sharing this video is because personally I love watching these kind of videos and I get so many ideas what to gift someone. So yes, that is all. That is my intention when it comes to this video. It's not to show off or anything as such. Plus I thought that the presents were so mindful and thoughtful and they just really are special. So I thought that I'll make this video and you guys will enjoy it. Alright, so now without any further delay, let's jump into the video and I really hope that you will enjoy it. Let's start with this cute little journal that I received. It has a fake leather cover and the paper quality is quite thick to resist all kinds of paints. It's ideal for mini art journaling or scrapbooking. And I love how vintage it looks. As you guys know that I love vintage things and this is definitely so beautiful and now it's a part of my collection. So I'm really happy about it. Next, I have to show you guys this letter. If you are a Potterhead, then you will agree that this has to be the cutest gesture ever. He painted the paper with coffee and got it printed. The smell of coffee absorbed in the paper is spilling a very sweet fragrance. In books, I received Mitch Albom's book Tuesdays with Morrie. I have already read this book. I had this book as a part of my Mitch Albom box set, but I gave my copy of that book to someone and never received it back. So it feels great to have this book all over again. Next, I received Jen Sincero's book You Are a Badass Every Day. This book completed my Jen Sincero book collection and I'm so excited to read this as she is one of my favorite authors in the non-fiction genre. So I'm very happy about this. Then we have this book by none other than the great Soumitra Chatterjee. The name of the book is The Master and I. I am a huge Satyajit Ray fan and reading about him from Soumitra Chatterjee himself is going to be an amazing experience. Cannot wait to read it. There are so many pictures in this book, making this book even more special. Next, I received this beautiful pen stand. It's so unique and vibrant. I needed a pen stand badly and this one is so colorful and cute. It's made up of clay and has quite a lot of space. The friend who gave me this pen stand, she has a great taste in these things and she has given me pen stands before as well. So yeah, I love this one. Then I got this diary. It's giving me Speaking Tree vibes. I love the metallic color palette and it has a spiral binding which makes it really easy to use. Plus I love diaries and journals and this is so very beautiful. So I'm very grateful that I received it. Now this one is really special because I read it somewhere long time back that if someone gifts you a red wallet, it's considered lucky, and I don't usually believe in superstitions or anything like that, but somehow this thing stayed with me, and receiving this red wallet as a present made me really happy. However, I did give a lot of hints, so it wasn't really a surprise because I knew that I would receive it. Anyway, it's from the brand Urban Forest, and the wallet is so spacious, it's the right size. Like, it's neither too bulky nor too tiny, just absolutely perfect. Then I received this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. When it comes to makeup, I don't know anything. So one of my friends gifted this to me. She does her makeup flawlessly, and I tried some looks with this palette during Durga Pujo, and I must say that the palette is very beginner friendly. She also gave me a Vega brush along with the palette, and I loved its application. This has to be like a dream come true present. There are some things that you want since forever, but you never really do anything about it. The Instax camera was one such fascination of mine. Receiving it as a present was truly a special feeling that I cannot possibly articulate. The Instax gift box contains the camera and some other cute accessories as well. The accessories are so aesthetic and adorable. I clicked a bunch of pictures on my birthday with my friends and my parents, and they turned out amazing. The camera is in the shade lilac, and I always wanted a lilac Instax. Like, it always was the color that really attracted me, and seeing it in front of my eyes, in my hands, it's just such a special feeling because I always wanted it, but I never thought I will get it. Like, I don't know, it's just so special. So yeah, I'm fumbling right now because there are just so many things that I'm feeling all at once. Next, I received this beautiful and colorful apron. I love aprons, and you will see me wear this while cooking in my upcoming vlogs, so be ready for that. You guys know how much I love candles, and these mortal jar candles with their cute packaging are absolutely stunning. The fragrances are absolutely breathtaking. The moment you open the lid, the exquisite fragrance will emulsify all your stress and worries. This arc lighter was also a pre-birthday present. I showed this to you in one of my previous videos, and I think it's such a thoughtful present. And lastly, I have this set of scented candles that I kind of gifted to myself. Basically, I got these from Meesho. I really wanted to try something from Meesho, and I thought that these candles are really nice. I didn't expect much from this set because it was quite cheap, but oh my god, the glass jars are so finely built and the fragrances are absolutely wonderful. Like, they do not feel synthetic, they feel really close to the real fragrances like sandalwood, vanilla, lavender, all of these, even rose. Usually, rose comes in a very fakeish kind of scent, but all of these candles smell like real. They are amazing, and I don't know how they managed to give you such great scents at such a cheap price, but this I mean, I'm really a fan of this set. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found some present and gift ideas as well. If you did, then definitely let me know in the comment section. I really love reading your comments. They are like so special and I always reply because honestly I'm so grateful. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and click on the bell icon as well so you get all the future notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.